Ever since we tried this recipe, we've only been making chicken fillet like this. To begin, we'll need 500 grams of chicken fillet. Let's cut them into cubes, like this. Now, transfer them to a bowl and add black pepper and salt to taste, along with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 egg. Mix all these ingredients well. Then, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix again. Now, add a cup of wheat flour and mix until you have a homogeneous batter. Fry the chicken pieces in a skillet with vegetable oil. Fry until they are golden, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once they are ready, remove them from the skillet and set aside. In another skillet, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and a bit of chopped green onions. Then, add 240 milliliters of chicken broth, a tablespoon of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Stir well and let it cook for just 2 minutes. In a cup, add water halfway, add a tablespoon of cornstarch, and stir until dissolved. Now, add this mixture to the sauce. Stir and cook for another minute. Then, add the fried chicken. Let it cook for another 2 minutes, stirring to make sure it's well coated in the sauce. To finish, add a few sesame seeds. Your dish is ready to be served. Now it's your turn. I want to know what you thought of this recipe. Leave your comment below, share what ingredient you would add. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our recipes. Give us a like, and we'll see you in the next video.